Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to study about digital electronics. Our first chapter is nothing but fundamentals of digital system and logic families. So, in this first point is nothing but number system. So, first of all, we have to understand what is meant by number system. So there will be various types of number systems are there. So basically first is decimal number system. So in this total number of symbols are denoted by 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that is 10 digits. So its base is 10, then digits at left side of the decimal point constitutes the integer part, and digits at right side of the decimal point constitute a fractional part. Okay, so for example, here it is given, suppose 555.55. So how can we write it? So leftmost digit is nothing but most significant digit, and this one is nothing but least significant digit. Okay, so in this way we can write it as a 5. As we know, base is 10, so 5 into 10 raised to 2, because here these are the this is nothing but integer part. So the position of these three digits is nothing but 0 1 and 2. So here we can write it as a 5 into 10 raised to 2 plus again 5 into 10 raised to 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0. So this is nothing but before decimal digits. So that we can call it as a integer part, and after decimal point these digits are known as a fractional part. So again we can write it as a plus 5 into 10 raised to minus 1 and plus 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. So these are nothing but the decimal number system. Then next, second one is binary number system. In this, total number of symbols denoted are 2, that is 0 and 1. So here base is 2. Then these symbols are known as a bits. So for example, here it is given as 111.111 as base 2. So how can we write it as a 1? Again here this is integer part and this is fractional part. So position is 0, 1, 2 and 3, and after decimal point it is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So here we can write it as a 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. Here we have taken 2 because base is 2 for a binary number system, plus now after decimal point 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2 and plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 3. Okay, so third number system is nothing but hexadecimal number. So now hexadecimal number means number system with base 16. So it is known as a hexadecimal number system. Then 16 symbols are used to represent the numbers. The symbols are nothing but 0 to 15. But in hexadecimal symbols and their equivalent decimal digits are written as, suppose here hexadecimal symbols we have written 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and for 10 you have to write A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E and 15 F. So these are the symbols for hexadecimal number, and their equivalent decimal digits are nothing but 0 to 15. That means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So from 10 to 15, here for hexadecimal number we have written A to F for notation of the hexadecimal number. Okay, so for example again, for example is given 215a point 268 number. Okay, so hence we have to convert it into decimal. So how can we write it here? 215a into point 268, so we can write it as a 2 into, here base is given as 16, so we can write it as a 2 into 16 raised to 3, because here again 0, 1, 2 and 3, these are nothing but integer numbers and after decimal point. Okay, so these are the decimal numbers and after decimal point these are the fraction numbers. So we can write it as a 2 into 10 raised to base is 16, so 16 raised to 3, plus here 1 is given, so 1 into 16 raised to 2, plus 5 into 10 raised to 1, plus again a means what? Hexadecimal number, a denotes for 10, so 10 into 16 raised to 0, plus after decimal point 2 into 16 raised to minus 1, plus 6 into 10 raised to minus 2, plus 8 into 16 raised to minus 3. So these are the hexadecimal numbers. Now what are the octal numbers? Next number system is octal number. So with base 8 symbols are used, that means 0 to 7. So for example again we have taken 576.217, because this is octal number, so base is 8, so again we can write it as a, here integer part is this one, so 0 1 2 0 1 2, and after decimal point, so after decimal point 217, that are fraction numbers, so again we can write it as a 5 into 8 raised to 2, plus 7 into 8 raised to 1, plus 6 into 8 raised to 0, plus 2 into 8 raised to minus 1, because this is nothing but fractional part, plus 1 into 8 raised to minus 2, plus 7 into 8 raised to minus 3. So these are all the number system. Now we have to study about interconversion of the numbers. Okay, so how we can convert say decimal number to binary, or binary to decimal number, or decimal to hexadecimal, or octal likewise. Okay, so first of all we will see about binary to decimal conversion. So here number is given 11011 base 2. Now you must have to know about base, as base is given is 2, so this is binary number and we have to convert it into decimal conversion. Okay, so here you can write it as a, for conversion again here 0 1 2 3 4, because this is not decimal number. Okay, so all are the integers, so position is 0 1 2 3 4. So how can we write it? 1, because binary number has base 2, so 2 raised to 4, plus 1 into 2 raised to 3, plus 0 into 2 raised to 2, plus 1 into 2 raised to 1, and plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. Okay, so now this you have to calculate. So 1 into 2 raised to 4 is 16, plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 is 8, plus 0 into 2 raised to 2, that is 2, and plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 is 1. 1 into 2 raised to 0 is 0. So here 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, we have taken addition. So addition is nothing but 27, and because this is binary number we have converted it into decimal number, so it is written as base 10. Okay, now we will see second example here. Now here they have given a 0.1101. So this is binary number, we have to convert it into decimal number. So now here 0 is given, so it is only one leftmost digit is there. Okay, so how can we write it? 0 is there, but 0 is having no value, so that means 1101. So here after decimal point fractional part is there, so here -1, -2, -3 and -4. So here we can write it as a 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to -4. So here you have to calculate it, so it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 0 plus 1 by 16. So 1 by 2 is 0.5, 1 by 4 is 0.25 and 1 by 16 is nothing but 0.0625. So answer is 0.8125 as base 10. Now second is nothing but decimal to binary conversion. So here we have given one example 28.125 as base 10. This number you have to convert it into binary conversion. So now this is decimal number 28.125. So for conversion two methods are used. First is repeated division and multiplication method. Okay, so repeated division means only you can convert integer part by using this method into binary, and after decimal point, that is fractional part, you have to multiply, you have to use a multiplication method. Okay, so now here 28 is nothing but integer part, so we can you have to convert it into binary. So divide 28 to 28 by 2. So here 2 28, that means 14 into 2 is 28. So 14 is quotient and remainder is 0. Again you have to follow the same procedure, divide it by 2, again you will get 7, then remainder is 0. Again you have to divide it by 2, so quotient is 3, then remainder is 1, again by 2, then quotient is 1 and remainder is 1. Again you have to follow this until you will get the answer. So this is nothing but least significant digit and this is nothing but the most significant digit. So you have to write it as a 11100. You have to write it from most significant to least significant digit. So it is 11100. So we have converted 28 into binary number. Okay, so for 28 this is nothing but a binary conversion, and again you have to convert this 0.125, that is fraction part. So for a fraction part you have to multiply it by 2. So here multiplication we have done 0.125 into 2. So multiplication is 0.250. You have to take a before decimal point digit, so it is 0, so we have taken here 0, then again 0.250 is multiplied by 2, so we have answer is 0.500. So again this digit is 0, so you can write it as a here 0, and again you have to multiply. So 0.500 into 2, that means it is a 1, so you will get a final digit, that is 1. So for 0.125 your binary conversion is nothing but 100, sorry 001. So the answer is nothing but 11100.001. So this is nothing but the conversion of 28.125. It is converted into binary number. So here why we have written as 11100.001, because we have to write it from here it is MSB MSD most significant digit, so we have written as 11100, and for fractional part this is MSD and this is LSD, so you have to write it as a 001, so that final answer is this. Then now we will go for second example. Again same, you have to 25.625, so this is integer part, so by using division method you have to convert it into binary. So 25 is divided by 2, then again it is 12, again 6, again 3, and again 1. So here you will get answer from MSB to LSB or MSD to MSB 11001, and by using multiplication, that is for fractional part 0.625, we have multiplied it by 2 until we get a 1, so it is 101. So for conversion, 25 into 625 is to base 10 is converted into its binary number. That means we have written it as a 10011.101 as base 2, because binary number is having base 2. Again second method, that is sum of power method. So first example is 26 is to 10, that is a decimal number, we have to convert it into binary, so we have to use some product of 2 for conversion. So it is 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus again 0. So how we can write it? 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1. So again plus 0 into 2 raised to 0. So we can write it as a 11010 as base 2. So it is 26 is to 10, decimal number is converted into binary 11010 is base 2. Now second is 0.75 as base 10. So we can write it as a 0.5 plus 0.25. So 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So we can write it as a, because this is fractional part, 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2. So the answer is 0.11 is to base 2, because this conversion is nothing but binary and this number is nothing but decimal. So we have converted by using sum of power method 0.75 decimal number into binary code. Thank you.